What's up, YouTube? Amp Jones checking in again. Today I have a special treat for you. This is a product that you can purchase for a loved one or a friend, or doesn't even matter. It's a nice product if you like organization and you don't like clutter. So let's get into it. All right, now, so I got this product here. I'll be unboxing it with you guys. I haven't opened it yet. It just came in. Let's get to it. You see, it comes in a gift box or whatnot. Tips to take care of it. And here are the instructions on how to put it together. So let's get it. So you can say it's like a bedside caddy or organizer, or it's a docking station, you know. Take all the parts out. Yeah, guys, this can be like a Christmas gift, birthday gift, just a gift overall for, you know, husbands, fathers, boyfriends. Even women can use these. It's not just for men, so. All right, let's see, what do we do first? This part here, put that in there. There we go. What else do we have? Got these little notches back here. If you just turn it to lock it in place. Okay. Can't really get the camera back there, guys, but there's two little notch levers that you just rotate and it locks it in place. Okay. Pieces. I'm reading the instructions to figure out where these go. Alright, so there was one more part hidden in the box. So that's how you put this part on. And there you go. It's put together. That's the entire docking station. Now I'm going to take it inside, put some things on it, and show you guys the final product. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, here we go. So I got everything set up now. As you can see, I have 2 phones. I have the cords running. There's these little slots here at the bottom. The cords are running through those from underneath. Got my wallet here. Got my blade. Couple pieces of jewelry, pocket change. Over here I have my watch, my necklace, and these are some wireless earbuds that I have. I could run another cord through here and charge it if need be. And here on the side, I have my Ruger. This is my Ruger 5.7. This is a pretty big firearm. So here I have my Taurus G3C as well. It fits all sorts of firearms, all sizes. This is great for decluttering, organizing your nightstand. I guess you could call it a EDC tray as well. The name of the maker is, I believe it's Barva. Here on the side, you can see I got my Tokarev TBP 12 as well. Turned the light up a little brighter accidentally, but you guys probably can see it a little better now. There you have it. This will make an excellent gift for, just anyone with firearms, or even without. You don't even have to have a firearm. It's a nice gift. Father's Day, Christmas, birthday, any kind. As you can see, I put it together in a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. It really didn't take that long. I just, wanted to take my time and explain everything. Yeah. Got my phones, got my fire, got everything. This is a walnut brown. I think it would look better on my nightstand in black, so I might end up painting it black. I'm not even gonna lie about that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so there you have it. I put it together. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'll check y'all out next time. Stay safe, stay prepared.